Hi, in my previous video, I have shared the steps how to create a virtual computer and how to install an operating system in this virtual computer. If you have not watched this video, please do watch. I have shared the link in the description box. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment if you have any doubts. Moving forward, in today's video, we are going to see what are the options that are available in virtual computer, VMware workstation, and also how to install VMware tools. Let us start with the VMware workstation options that are available. Go to virtual computer and right click, select settings. Here the first option is memory. Memory means RAM. You could able to adjust the RAM capacity based on your requirement. Processor. You could select the number of cores and processors to be assigned. This can be done only in offline. Next, in hard disk, this is the disk file path and the type of disk selected. In CD or SATA, you could either select a physical CD drive, else you could also map the ISO image. Network adapter. In the network adapter, you could able to configure NAT so that internet connection will be available within the virtual computer. USB controller to access the external USB. Sound card, similarly to access the sound, the speaker. Next, in options tab, there is a power which shows the option to shut down the guest OS. At the same time to restart and start up the guest operating system. Snapshot is an option. Here you could able to select based on your requirement. You could able to automate the process. You could select take new snapshot so that whenever you power off, it will take a new snapshot, and similarly for other options. In VMware tools, there is an option to sync up with the internet so that whenever there is a new release of VMware tool, it will be automatically installed on the virtual computer. These are the options available in this virtual VMware workstation, and you could able to do changes based on your requirement. We are going to see about each and every option in future. Now we are going to see how to install a VMware tools. For installing VMware tools, right click on the virtual computer, select install VMware tools, so that the installation setup will be mapped as an ISO image within this virtual computer. You could double click and the setup will be launched. This will take a while. Click on next. Select typical so that the default settings will be applied. Install. Once the installation is completed, click on finish. Click on yes to restart the virtual computer. You could able to see the difference in display screen. Once restarted, you could able to send Alt Control Delete through an option available from VMware tool, VMware tab, as shown in the screen. Alt Control Delete will not be applied manually on pressing a keyboard. Log into your computer and you could use for further. VMware tool is installed to enhance the performance of the virtual computer and the guest operating system, and also improves the management of a virtual computer. Although the guest operating system can run without a VMware tools, you would lose important functionalities and convenience. In our next video, we are going to see further options available in VMware Workstation that will be useful for our daily needs. That is, how to suspend a virtual computer, and also to take snapshot and revert the snapshot, and cloning option that is available within a VMware Workstation. These options will be very useful for our daily purposes even the data is lost. So please do watch my next video for further information. Please do like, share, subscribe, and do comment if there is any doubt. Thank you. This is Venkat and signing off. Bye.